Rumors say he still runs a pet boxer to this day.
Oh my god!
Wow, how fun! Why didn't the real estate Asian mention this sooner? Guess who is more dramatic than your ex? This part. This happens when I try to get my husky to walk more than 5 feet. Hands off! These kung fu kicks have no talking rule. Just through their eyes, they know they have chosen the right one. Bugs, nothing says I love you like a nose-to-nose smooch. Adrenaline, 100%. Awareness of the situation, 0%. The quiet one is always the cutest. Back. Giving your pup their checkup like it's a royal ceremony. When they think I'm dozing off, my raid office snacks is still on. Not sure what's more annoying, the alarm clock or the husky. I think this girl is having another love at first sight. Ties, know this down. This is how my dog thinks of being a snow angel. Sipping water is overrated. Real champions chomp it. Who needs a gardener when you've got a dedicated rake bulldog?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
When you lied on your resume and this is your first day at work. Look closer, guys. Not just a dog, he's a ninja. Behold, the majestic bush doggo, guardian of the garden and part-time statue. Don't we all have that one friend who loves skinship? When you're a real adventurer, dog park is simply just a name. Decisions, peace or chaos? I prefer the latter. Welcome to the doghouse. The headquarters is off the charts. Sharing is caring, but I guess some things are too precious to share.
This is the real reason your snacks are disappearing.
My dog when he hears there's a new salad in town. No dogs in the house, he said. This is what happens when you hire a puppy to guard your patio. Me trying to not step in the pond or let my intrusive thoughts win. I bet he's on the challenge to kiss the floor. What a trendsetter.
Bruh.
Dreaming of all the treats he didn't get today. Sassy. Me when the popcorn is free.
I thought today was your day with the brain cell. What happened? Your turn got skipped again?
Thinking about life, love, and the occasional dip.
Topper.
He's a professional silent treatment provider, available for all occasions.
You are leaning against me so hard.
Some call it whistling, I call it puppy summoning magic. Plot twist. He's leading a secret double life as a superhero in his dreams.
I just went to Little Wonderland there.
Me trying to see if there's anyone else in his eyes beside me. Finally, a screen that's more interesting than squirrels. Scientists are still baffled by this phenomenon. Practicing for that whisper scream when you stub your toe at 3 a.m. I'm not hiding, I'm just practicing my disappearing acts. When you want to slide into the weekend like a pro, but it's only Tuesday. Who's ready to pour tea with a new dog-shaped tan line? Raise your hand. Tucking yourself in like a pro, because even puppies need their beauty sleep. Can't find it? Just look for the tail that's doing its best helicopter impression.
You so scary.
When his level of charm hits you so bad. Howling solo? Nah, this is how he starts a duet. Puppy logic. If it squeaks, it's mine. If it doesn't, it's also mine. The number one sign that you're a puppy magnet. What a blessing. No doubt, this cutie is us after Thanksgiving dinner stuffed and snoozing.
Oh, hi.
Everyone has a dog, and you have the reincarnation of Seabiscuit. Perhaps what he craves most is a soft pillow. Gym memberships are overrated. Just follow your dog's cardio plan. Run, jump, repeat. Who needs an elf on the shelf when you have a pup under the tree?